Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use the sport mode in your 2019 Honda Accord Sport. So, in order to access this feature, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the shifter right here. And once we get to the shifter, we're going to click on the sport mode, of course. And basically what it does, so let me show you again. Once I click on it, it will change up the display on the left hand side, and it's going to give you more of a sporty look, of course. So you can see your red line and your boost pressure. And yeah, well, basically what sport mode does is it changes the engine's response. It's going to be more quicker in response, as well as the transmission. It's going to shift a little bit quicker, giving you a sporty feeling in your car. And yeah, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.